Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Dane Johansson here walking you through Athenaze. Again, we're on page 18. This is chapter 2, the second part, Oxanthias Vita. So, this is the name of Decapolis' slave, Oxanthias. So, this is Vita, the second part. Here's Decapolis. Looks like he's Stenaze. He's groaning. Stenaze. He's crying out. He's mad about something. Here's Oxanthias. He's carrying Feri to Arotron. He's carrying the plow. And here's Tusvus, the oxen. Let's see if that's what it was describing. With the Decapolis legi, spevdo Oxantia, ke feremi to Arotron. So Decapolis says, hurry, Oxantia, and bring to me the plow. He took some verbs. Ago, so now they're doing the first person singular. Ago, I lead, I take. Isago, I lead in, I take in. So here you see is. Here's a preposition that they're actually going to teach us over here. Is, really, really common Greek preposition. Isago, so agos, I lead. Is, into, in, at, among. Into, lead. So I into, lead, I lead in, I take in. Veno, I step, I walk, I go. So ana veno, you'll see I go up. Kata veno, I go down. You'll see both this word and this word a lot in the New Testament, ago and veno. I step, I walk, I go. Vlepo, that's a really, really common word in Greek. I see, I look. Lamvano, I take. So, kata lamvano, I understand, I comprehend. Si lamvano, seen is with. And then lamvano, so I help. So with, I take with. I came together to I help. Here's some nouns. Ovus, ox. To dendron, tree. Odespotis, master. All these you should already know. If you did the method I talked about last time, where both these words and the main vocabulary words, if you enter them in the text itself as you're reading, say you don't know spevdo, I hurry, so you write it in, I hurry, with a pencil or maybe here on the computer, and then erase it as you learn it. You'll learn a lot of vocab that way. So is plus the accusative, so when it's with the accusative, it functions and translates as into, to, at. Is, adverbs. Vradeos, slowly. Epita is a really common word in Attic Greek that you'll have to know. So that one still gives me trouble sometimes. Epita, then, thereafter. And then the, already or now. You should already know that as well. So I'll read through each of these sections here on pages 18 and 19 and translate them as we go. Omenun Decapolis alavnitus vus, ode Xanthias opisten vadisi ke feri to Arotron. Dioligude o Decapolis isagitus vus is ton agron ke vlepi pros ton dhulon, ode Xanthias uparestin. Vradeos garveni, o Decapolis kali avton ke legi, spevdo Xanthia ke feremi to Arotron, ode Xanthias legi, al idi spevdo o despota, ti uto halaposi, vradeos de feri to Arotron pros avton, o un Decapolis agitus vus ipo to zigon, ke prosapti to Arotron. Epita de pros ton dhulon vlepi, o de Xanthias uparestin, kathevdigar ipoto dendro. So first here you have omenun Decapolis alavnitus vus, o de Xanthias. So here you have the men and then the clause. So on one hand, on the other hand, we learned that last time. O men, o the, on the one hand, on the other hand. Omenun Decapolis. On the one hand, therefore, Decapolis alavnitus vus. Here's what he does. He alavnitus vus. He goads or he leads on the oxen. On the other hand, Xanthias, on the other hand, o the Xanthias, opis then vadisi. Vadisi, he goes, so he goes behind, opis then. He's going behind, and ke, feri to Arotron, and carries the plow. Dioligude o Decapolis isagitus vus is ton agron. So dioligude, it's the opening phrase. Dioligu is the preposition dia, and then oligu. Again, if you know modern Greek, and we're following the course. Ligo, that's still used in modern Greek. Katalavenete aglika, do you speak English? And the person might respond, ligo, I speak a little. So through a little, so soon, dio ligu the, and soon or but soon, o Decapolis isagitus vus. But soon, Decapolis leads in the oxen, is ton agron, a prepositional phrase, into the field. So with the accusative, ton agron, ke and vlepi pros ton dulon. So soon, soon, Decapolis leads the oxen into the field and looks. He looks towards the slave, the servant. Ode xanthias u parestin. So he's looking for the servant. He's looking towards where he should be. But xanthias is not present. Parestin, he's not there. He's not present. Excuse me. Vradeos garveni. Why is he not there? This is why. For slowly he goes. For he goes slowly. He's walking slowly. He is walking slowly. O Decapolis kali afton kelegi. So then this is what happens. Therefore Decapolis, O Decapolis, kali afton, calls out to him, kelegi, and says, spevda oxantia. So here again you have the imperative, a command. Spevtho is I hurry. And spevda is a command. Hurry, an imperative. Spevda, oxantia, hurry. Hurry, oxantias. Kefera mi to arotron, and bring, here's another imperative, fera, to me, so in the dative case, to me. So me is me, and then me is, which is me, omicron iota, is the dative, to me, bring to me, fera mi, to arotron, the plow. O de xanthias legi, but xanthias, and xanthias says, legi, al idispevdo, o despota. So he's addressing o despota, that's in the vocative case. But already, or now, I hurry. But I'm already hurrying. O despota, master. I'm already hurrying, master. Ti uto halapos e. Why thus hard, difficult, are you? You are. So as a question, you see the little semicolon, that's a question mark in Greek. Why are you thus so hard? Why are you thus hard, O master, O despota? Vradeos de feri to arotron prosafton. And, or but, slowly he carries. So feri, pharaoh, he carries. A good way to remember pharaoh is I carry as pheromones. So I carry, he carries, with the third person singular present active indicative ending e, ferry. Vradeos de feri to arotron prosavton. So xanthias is the subject of this verb feri. So xanthias is the one who is doing this verb feri. Xanthias carries the plow. So you have this, the plow, pros afton. So who's the afton? Because the subject is up here, oxanthias. The afton is Decapolis. So Decapolis is the one who's being carried towards. So he says, "Why are you so hard? I'm already hurrying. Why do you have to be so hard?" And slowly he carries the plow out to him, or to him. Oun Decapolis agitus vus ipo to zigon ke prosapti to arotron. Thus, or therefore, Decapolis leads, ago, I lead, he leads, so he leads. Therefore, Decapolis leads tus vus, the bovine, the oxen, the cows, ipo to zigon, under the yoke, and they have that for you right here, under the yoke. He leads them under the yoke, ke, and prosapti, so the next thing he does is prosapti, he attaches, and they have that for you right here as well, prosapti, he attaches the plow. Epita the, but then, or and then, Pros ton dhulon, towards the slave. Vlepi, he looks towards the slave. So vlepi, he looks towards the slave. Odexanthias u parestin. So after he just got done saying he's already hurrying, why does it have to be so hard? And then he vradeos he goes slowly carrying the plow out. Finally, Decapolis gets the plow and attaches the toarotron, the plow. Then he turns around to look at his slave, and this is what happens. Odexanthias u parestin. So he's not. It's a negative particle u. He's not there. He's not present. What's he doing? Kathevdigar, for he's sleeping. Ipoto dendro, under the tree. Lazy. Rathimos estin, he's lazy. What was the word they had us use last time for lazy? See if I can find it real quick. If not, then argos, lazy. Aftos argos estin, he's lazy. Or rathimos, that sounds cooler, I like that. All right, here's that second part on page 19. I'll read it and we'll do the same thing, try to get through it. O un Decapolis, kaliafton kelegi, elthethevro o katarete, mi kathevde ala silambane, feragar to sperma ke opisten vadize, omenun dhulos to sperma lamvani, ke agaluthi, o the spotis kali tin Dimitra, tin Dimitra kelegi, ileosisti o Dimiter, ke plithine to sperma, epitade to kendron lamvani, ke kendi tus vus kelegi, spevdeto ovoes, elkete to arotron, ke arute ton agron. So, starting out here, O un Decapolis kaliafton kelegi. So he sees him sleeping. Kathevdigar ipotodendro. That's where we left Xanthias. And now Decapolis calls out to him, therefore, and says, Elthethevro. Remember, that's come here, come hither. Eltha ode is come here. Come hither is elthethevro. So same thing. O katarete. So o katarete is an insult. It's like a cuss word, which means you cursed creature. So you'll actually see this word in the New Testament as well, talking about curses. Mi kathevde ala silambane. So we have here's an imperative, a command right there. Here's another one, and here's another one. This chapter's been full of commands. So imperative. So elthethevro, come here. Mi kathevde. This is usually used with commands or subjunctives, the mi there. So mi kathevde, do not sleep, but Allah, silamvana, but help. Don't sleep, but help. Fera, another one, another imperative. Feragar to sperma ke opisten vadize. Sperm is where we get this. We get that from this. So sperm, seed. To sperma, the seed. Bring, for carry, or bring the seed. And behind me, behind, go, and go behind. So another imperative there, vadize. So carry the seed and walk behind me. Walk behind. Omen un dhulos to sperma lamvani ke akoluthi. Ode the spotis kali tin Dimitra kelegi. So you have the men and the clause again. So on the one hand, therefore the slave. So the slave, on the one hand, therefore the slave, the seed he brings, lamvani, he picks it up, he takes it. Sorry, he takes the seed to sperma, ke akaluthi, and he follows akaluthi. I think they might. Oh, yep, they have it here. That's really common in the Gospels, especially akalutheo, I follow. Ke akaluthi, and he follows. On the one hand, therefore, on the one hand, the slave takes the seed and follows. On the other hand, ode the spotis, on the other hand, the master calls out, he calls, kali tin Dimitra kelegi. So Dimitra is a Greek goddess. We saw him cry out to Ozeph, Chalapos estinovios earlier. life is hard. So he's crying out, Athenaze again. So he, in fact, did do this polakis often. So on the one hand, the slave takes the seed and follows. On the other hand, the master calls out to this goddess Demetria and says, Ille osisti o Dimiter, ke plithine to sperma. Merciful be merciful, O Dimiter, ke, and plithine to sperma, and increase. Is that what they have here? Increase, multiply. There you go. Multiply the seed. So it's crying out for a good harvest. Epitade to kendron lamvani. And then, or but then, the goad. They have tokendron, the goad, like the whip. So we saw that right here. And yeah, he's got the whip right there. There's the tokendron. So he's got the whip right there, the stick, the goad. Epithet tokendron lambani, kekendi to zavus kelegi. So all these verbs are referring back again to the spotis, who is Decapolis. He's the one that's Vani, Kendi, Legi. He's doing all of that. So, and then the goad, he takes the goad and goads, like whips them. He goads the oxen and says, Spevdete ovoa. So spevdete, we know spevdo is I hurry. So he's telling them, hurry. So the second person plural imperative, ete, hurry. Oh, you cows. Elkete to arotron. Here's another second person imperative plural. Elkete to arotron. Carry the, or drag. Yeah, drag. That's used in John 6:44. Whoever the Father draws unto him, elkete, elkeo. Drag the plow, and plow, arute, to agron, the field. So anyway, that was a little bit longer than some of the others. Sorry, I kind of stumbled over some stuff. Hopefully that was helpful anyway. Anyway, I will continue on. I think there's a section down here. Oh yeah, we'll have another one of these sections, questions and answers, that I'll go through as well. Thank you and God bless.